Welcome back. In the last section, we discussed on creation of databases and schemas. We'll continue our journey and start creation of tables and inserting the data and then retrieving the data from table. Uh, we created the database named garden plant, and under that we created three schemas: flowers, fruits, and veggies. Same use case where the um, plantation owner or the business owner is trying to organize the data under different sections. And our first table structure looks like this, where we are trying to categorize the root level of the veggies in three categories: shallow, medium, and deep. And this is going to be our table name, root depth, and these are going to be our columns: depth ID, depth code, depth name, unit of measure, range min, and range max. And these are going to be our data types: number, text, and number. Alright, without further much ado, we'll create the table. I'll switch to the worksheet. You can use your same worksheet that you created in the last section. uh, I'll use my create table worksheet that I have created, and here is the syntax of the create statement. Make sure when you are here working on the worksheet, you have selected the right role, you have selected the right compute resource, and you have selected right database and schema. So this is same, you can use it, it is there in the description section if you want to create the same table. So I'll go and run this. So here you see, now our first table named root depth is successfully created. I can go and explore it in the database section. So we created it under garden plant, under veggies, under table section. Now here, one observation, we can go and check the view definition here. So here you see, we have used the data types as number and text. But when I switch to the definition, what Snowflake had internally processed and created is, so it has converted that number into 1 comma 0, and the text that we wrote, it has converted into varchar. This is something that Snowflake internally do. Now our second step logically would be, we go and insert our data into this table. So again, insertion, there could be three ways where how we can insert the data into the table. The simplest way would be by writing the insert statements, but for sure that is not very effective or the efficient way. So gradually we will learn more effective and efficient ways, like load data wizard is there in Snowflake, and copy into statements are there. For now, we'll use simple insert statements. Again, I have pasted the insert statement. So here is our insert statement, where we are trying to insert the values with depth ID as 1, S as the depth code, shallow as the depth name, and unit of measurement centimeter, and min and max ranges are 30 to 45. So I'll execute this, and it will insert our first record in the table. We can quickly go and preview the data under database, garden plant, veggies, tables, root depth. As I click on it, you will see this explore button, that is a preview table. As I click on it, it will show me the first record. If there are more records, we could see the more records here in the preview section. You can insert more records with the insert statements. So all these insert statements are also pasted in the description section. We can use it. Now we'll write our first select statement. We'll write the select statement on the same table. Select a star from, we created root depth. Okay, I think wrong, root depth. There you go, we can see the first record that we just inserted. Like any other SQL language, just to limit the selection, the syntax remains same. If we want to select only 5 records, we can write select a star from the table name with limit 5. Though in our case there is only one record, it doesn't matter. So this can be used to limit the selection section. Now, we discussed in the section of creation of table, selection of table, insertion of data. In upcoming lecture, we'll discuss on the warehouses, different data formats, and loading wizard. Thank you.